In today's episode, we're gonna put in a carpet kit. Let's go. Not bad overall. The condition's pretty good actually. There's no rust. No rusted holes. Looks good for the most part. Actually, that's gonna make life a little bit easier. Initially, I was thinking of using like a pour product and seal the frame, but I think with this, I'm just gonna clean it up and then maybe just lay everything on top. I think it'll be okay. Alright, so now it's relatively clean. I'm gonna unbolt the seatbelts. I got some chance to break free to do a little bit more work on the interior. So yesterday I was able to just kind of pull out the seats, remove the seat belts, and vacuum it up a little bit. Today I'm going to try to, so I got these little pinholes. I mean, not pinholes, but old holes. I'm pretty sure it's from the previous owner. It looks like they added 2 single seats, because right now there's a bench, which is the factory. But it looks like at one point it had just two single seats, and these are the 4 holes for the mounting for the seat brackets. And on each side there's this random little hole here. This little small pinhole there as well. And then I'm going to hopefully see if I have any of these sealed up electrical grommet. If I can use, if I can find a right one to seal it up, that will save me a lot of time. Because if I don't have it, then the next plan is to actually either weld it, or I have a stick of JB Weld's epoxy, metal epoxy, so I might be able to use that too. So we'll see. I'm gonna get lucky with these guys right here. Oh, I think so. I think this is gonna be perfect. Yeah, I think it'll do. I'm just trying to seal it up so that moisture from underneath the vehicle don't get into the car. Prevent further rust and kind of keep the dampening good. Now, I mean, the ideal way is to actually fully seal it, and welding it or using some type of fiberglass epoxy to go over it is the best route, because you're guaranteed that you're getting it all sealed up so nothing gets inside and gets trapped. Because even these, potentially dirt can get underneath it or underneath the car, and you can trap moisture that way. And over time, this actually becomes a big rust hole. But honestly, I'm not concerned about that. This thing's not going to be driven that much, especially not going to be in the rain. It's not my daily. This is my work truck, or use the truck to go pick up stuff when the weather's good. Oh man, am I lucky? Is this, are they gonna fit? Not only do they fit, but they feel like they're pretty sealed, because the width of this grommet is almost what you need. So those holes obviously I can't do, so those guys I will probably use the epoxy underneath and over it just to speed up, because otherwise I would have to bust out the welder. Alright, so we got those 4 sealed up, perfect fit. I have a good feeling on how well it actually was sealed. So this is what it looks like, and then you just kind of grab what you need. I'm placing down the first layer of the mats. For some reason, I could not find my roller, so I'm just gonna use the next best thing. Okay. Oh yeah, oh nice, sorry. Hindi na ganyan. Okay na.
What's this cool thermal for the AC?
Sound, vibration, and heat.
Oh, there's a camera here.
When I need my roller, I can't find it. When I don't need it, I see it all the time. So I have to use this scissor. Let's try one. Step back, step over. So it's not a lot. This for this. I think I have the wrong carpet kit. I don't believe this is for this truck, but this might be for my 510. But then the question is, where is the carpet kit for this truck? Darn it, I don't know where to put it. I'm gonna have to dig through all my boxes to find it now. But I know I bought it. So I'm a little disappointed because the carpet kit that I thought I had for this car is not the right one. I know I bought one, but I also bought one for my 510. So looks like I have to pause this until I can find the right carpet kit. Goodbye everybody. Let me say bye. Yeah, that is an O.
Yeah, oh.
Okay.
Daddy, what's this? Daddy, you're hiding. That's Daddy, go. Daddy, put away. A paper and put away.
Okay, I'll get it.
Okay.
Okay. Where do you want to put this? You want to put that there?
No.
What about this one?
I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it right here. I don't need more. I don't need more.
You want more O's? Okay. Yeah, let me daddy cut you some more O's. Just O's? How about squares, circles, and triangles?
A square, an O, a square, and a triangle.
Okay, here's a square.
Thank you.
Here's a triangle. Let's do. Here's a 90 degrees.
Triangle. Like a beach.
Yep, there you go.
Like here. I can't, Daddy. I can't.
Because you have to take off the back piece.
I'm not here.
Remove it like a sticker.
Sticky.
Yeah.
This one on the back.
Like brown.
Oh, my one. I got it.
You got it. Good job.
Now, kiss you.
What is this?
Heart.
Only you can tell it's a heart. Very good.
I got it. I put it right here. I got it down.
Yeah. You're adding more sticker for Daddy?
No.
Let's see. Nice. Very good. So I think I found the carpet kit. I went into storage and I dug up this thing. So many pieces, I actually don't know what if it is. So I'm trying to figure out if this carpet kit belongs to this guy. So, let's see. Yeah, I think it is. Alright. We got carpets. So while I was figuring out this, Grandma gave me this. What do you guys think? Kind of like the look, just not the stickers. Cute.
Daddy, Daddy. Oh, wow. Dad, I smell it.
You smell it? Since I have the shift the cover out, I'm gonna go ahead and paint it. Okay. I bought a can of burgundy. Quickly put it. You can also repaint it back. They're awake. Break time. Gotta feed the family. Be back tomorrow. I got some more time today. Let me see if I can finish up the carpet today. So yesterday I sprayed the tunnel cover, the burgundy red that I bought, hoping that it'll match the truck. It's a little hot today to be working inside the cabin, but I'll take the opportunity since the kids are napping right now upstairs, and they had a late nap today, so the nap should last a good 2 hours. Mom was with them, so should be able to squeeze in about an hour, 2 hours, hopefully. so I ran out of glue. Gonna need to get more of these spray adhesive to continue, but almost done. I only have this last piece, so I don't have the adhesive, but at least I'll cut it so that it can get into place. Save me some time the next time I need it. If you were to do this correctly, please make sure to accurately cut. I am just doing it as I go and deal with it afterwards. Alright, so here's the semi-finished one. I still have to get more glue to continue, but carpets is basically it. And with that, we got our seats in. Carpets are in. Truck looking better already.